Hey everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed. We are gonna make a really fun sign. So I have a chalkboard sign that I got from the good old Target dollar spot for $5. And then it's even got like, almost looks like a shiplap feel with the chalk. So we're gonna do something on that, chalkboard I mean. I've got one of these Dollar General. We've got pumpkins from Walmart, like a little thing of pumpkins. It's the really cute neutral ones. We've got ribbon. We're gonna make a cute little sign. Now, I got this right here at Target dollar spot for $5. It is a chalkboard. But y'all know how chalkboards are. They're really shiny and slick at first. And I don't like that, okay? So I've got my chalk. If y'all didn't know, y'all can buy chalk at the Dollar Tree, okay? That's where I got this. So I'm just gonna like, I'm just gonna like take my chalk and I'm laying it down sideways and I'm just like getting chalk all over this to give it that rusted look, okay? I'm trying to get it where it kind of looks a little older. I can't handle that sound, y'all. I'm not joking. So now I'm just going to kind of wipe it off. This is just the first step to this project. Obviously, if you don't have one of these, you can use any kind of sign you want. Can y'all see how it just kind of looks older now? So I've got this. This came from Dollar General. So eventually we're going to be hot gluing it onto our, I'm having a really hard time with my words today, y'all. I apologize. Onto my chalkboard. But I'm going to do that at the end. I want to be able to like move it around and show y'all, so I'm not going to do that yet. But here's what I've got that I'm working with today. They're bowl fillers from Walmart with the little pumpkins. So they were $2.98. And you can see the colors, I hope. They're just the real muted neutral colors, okay? So what I was kind of thinking, I've actually got 2 bags of these. Like I said, they were $2.98 each. And in my mind, what I think is going to be cute, and I really hope this is to kind of put some pumpkins along the outside of this grapevine wreath. Just something different. And then I want to do like a really cute bow at the top. Because I just love bows, okay? So that's what I'm thinking. Now, of course, these are bow fillers. So some of them are little, which I don't know if I want to use the little ones. I might mix them in. I'm truly not sure. But this is just a very budget-friendly, easy wreath idea, okay? Now, all my wreath-making friends are like, oh my goodness, she is using that and making a wreath. But we're good, we're good. Okay, so I think I might open this and take some other ones out because I love this color. It's just like a very muted green. So I kind of want to use some of those, but we'll see how it goes. Got my cute scissors. Aren't those cute? They came from Walmart a couple years ago. Something, if it's cute, okay, so if it's like cute scissors, I think I gotta have them. They cut the same, but they're cute. Does anybody else feel that way? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put some hot glue at the bottom of my, I'm going to have a new glue stick. The bottom of my pumpkin, my first one. Well, my goodness, Brooke. I'm just going to hold it with my chin. Okay, so I've got plenty of hot glue, as you can tell. And I'm just going to stick it right here on the front. This is going to be very different, okay? So this is what, whoa. Well, you know, I didn't leave it on long enough. Lord have mercy, bless my heart. This is funny. This is live, y'all. This is a live video. This is literally what live it, like, that's why when you see pre-recorded videos, and I'm having a mess. This is not my favorite glue gun, but it's the one that was sitting closest. Lord have mercy. That's why when you see videos that people have edited, they take off all this stuff, okay? They take off all this and they make it look real polished. But I'm just going to tell you, I know that most people are just like me, and y'all are a hot mess express, and y'all stuff falls off, and you say words that are jumbled when you're trying to talk. I'm just live doing it for everybody to see. Anyway, so hopefully y'all can bear with me. I'm gonna leave this on here. I think it's on here good now. Let me see. Yes. Okay. So this is my plan, and I'm gonna show some grapevines. So they're gonna be just kind of sprinkled, you know, every few inches around here. That's my plan. Okay. I think it's gonna be cute. Tell me if y'all think it's gonna be cute. And I'm gonna do the green pumpkin and then a white one, and then the green and then a white. That's what I'm thinking over here. Okay. But I can tell you this right now, when you're doing it, you need plenty of glue to attach to that grapevine, okay? I put a bunch this time. I don't think I put enough, and I think I did not leave it on there long enough. So, lesson learned. But they do hold to this. If I held it down longer, I just wasn't holding it down long enough. So, here's this, and I'm going to put my bow right up here, okay? Now, and we may, if we want to, here in a little bit, we can go kind of sprinkle in some more pumpkins if we want to. But, and we probably will need to. But I'm going to go ahead and do the bow first so we get an idea what that looks like. And then we can kind of decide if we want to sprinkle in more pumpkins, okay? So, I've got this raffia. I actually ordered it on Amazon. And it's just like any other raffia. It just has this look as it's in there, but it comes out individual like this. But I ordered it, and I ordered it in green and red and white off Amazon. I'll get that link for y'all, okay? I didn't even think about that, but I'll get that link in case y'all are wanting some of those colors for Christmas. And then I've got a bunch of different, I'm gonna scoot this up so I can make this bow. A bunch of different ribbons right here that I pulled out of my stash just to do a neutral whatever I'm making, bow. So I'm going to start with the burlap with the polka dots. I'm just going to cut some up. Thank you for bearing with me. This video is crazy. Thank y'all for bearing with me. And thank you for sprinkling the video. And if y'all are new here, yes, it's always like this. I'm sorry. I can't lie to you and say that it's not. But still fun. You know, you can still gather up a good idea or two amidst the craziness. So what we do here with the Re-Fabbed bow is cut up lots of strips of ribbon. Just whatever length you want them. We're going to do the raffia at the end. So we're just take all these different fun ribbons that we have. This is a neutral bow, but it's really fun to do colorful bows too. This is the look of this exact wreath. So that's what we're going with. So I just gathered up a bunch, and I'm literally just cutting up a whole bunch of strips. And then I'll show you how we do it after we get it all together. I'm not measuring them. There's no need to do that. Seriously, it's just going to take extra time that is just pointless. Okay. This ribbon is from all different places. You can get ribbon from wherever. It does not matter. Just if I find a ribbon that I like, it doesn't matter where I'm at. If it's reasonable, I just grab a roll or two or three or four or five. And just have it on hand because I love to mix and match ribbon. Okay, so I've got all this ribbon, which is super cute. And then I've actually got this ribbon too. How cute is that? And I'm going to cut it too. And then I'm going to use one of these pieces as my middle piece, which I use to put across it and tie at the back to make it the bow. Then I take my raffia next, and we're just gonna gather up quite a bit of it and cut it. And it's just a wild hot mess. I love raffia. I think it's like it's my favorite, okay? So this is how we do the bow. We crisscross the burlap at the bottom like an X. And then we just start crisscrossing our pieces of fabric, okay? So I'm just crisscrossing. It doesn't matter what order you do them in, and it doesn't matter if you do the same one each time. Do it however you want. It does not matter. So like I'm going to crisscross this one this time instead of the same exact one. But just to show y'all that it doesn't matter. So just doing this. Sometimes it's better to do the thicker ones at the bottom though, because they're going to show better, okay? get this done. Okay. I'm actually only gonna, I got both of these cut, but I'm only gonna use one of these. I just decided. So after you get it done, it looks something like this after you get it all crisscrossed. So the more ribbon, the merrier, because that's what makes it a really fun and full bow. Then you're gonna take your raffia, if you decide to use raffia, and which I think adds a lot to it, honestly. And you're just gonna like get it all up in your hand like this and kind of squeeze down. I mean, it's gonna look a mess because that's how raffia is. But I'm gonna take it, I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm gonna lay it right here across the top. And it's not gonna look like much, but we're gonna trim it up. So it's gonna look something like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my long strip of ribbon. You get a piece of skinny ribbon. You can use string, you can use jute, whatever you want, or a little piece of skinny ribbon like this, which I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna lay it across the top, flip it over, and tie it as tight as I can so that it'll come together as a bow. So easy, y'all. I did not know how to make bows. I came up with this easy bow one day trying to make a bow because I was like a hot mess. I could not put bows on stuff, and I love bows. I came up with this, and now I've got a cute bow anytime I ever need one with just ribbon scraps. So it's super fun, and you can use a bunch of different ribbons. You don't have to have that same one for all the loops, and I love it. Look how cute this bow turned out, y'all. This is an adorable bow, and how easy was that? And I can do it super fast. I was just trying to give a tutorial, so it took me a little longer, but how easy was that, y'all? Seriously. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it on the top. So this is what it's gonna look like, okay? And I said we could go back and add more pumpkins if we need to. We're gonna do it, it's backwards for me, so if I move this way, it's going that way, so I'm sorry. But this is what it's gonna look like on the top. We're gonna lay it down here. We're gonna end up gluing this on in a minute. But I'm gonna go ahead and, since it's like this on the back, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it instead of gluing it on. That's gonna be much easier. Okay, I just tied this. Look how cute this is, y'all. Now, I do think we need more than 4 pumpkins because they look a little, I don't know, we just need something more. I don't know exactly, but maybe we can sprinkle in the little pumpkins. I'm gonna just see, because these bowl fillers is what they're called. They come with these little bitty cutie pumpkins too, okay? Now, I don't know though. I'm just not sure what to do. But I think what we can do, let me cut this open. I'm just kind of deciding as I go. It's not like I had this really planned out exactly. Which, that's the fun part about crafting. You just kind of do it as you go. So I think it's going to be cute because they're not white. They're kind of a yellow color. I don't know. So I think if we stick a little pumpkin right here in between, like 3 of them, that could really set it off. I'm gonna try to do that. If it looks bad, the fun part about it is we can literally pop, take it right off. Let's put lots of glue here, okay? I hope y'all are liking this. I think it's gonna be really cute. I think just it being put on the chalkboard and having smeared the chalk on it. And look, you could have painted the frame or you could have stained it a darker color. I just left it as it was for time's sake. But if you happen to win this, you could totally paint the frame or do whatever you want with it. It's really cute, seriously. And these little pumpkins, honestly, they seem to be doing the trick. Can y'all tell how it's looking? Okay, how cute. Okay, this is so cute, y'all. Do y'all love this? This is adorable. I love this. This turned out way cuter than I was expecting, especially at the beginning. I kind of started doubting myself, but it's super cute. So now I need to adhere it to the board, which I really don't think hot glue is probably my best option, but I'm just gonna do it for now to kind of show y'all. And then what I'm probably gonna do is get some better glue so that when I mail it to the winner, it's in really good shape. But I'll go ahead and just glue it on with this for now, and then I'll kind of make it better later. So let me go ahead and put plenty of glue here to kind of get that bad boy stuck to this. Okay. That way you can see it all together. And then, like I said, I will make sure to adhere this to where it really sticks well for the person who wins this. So here is the finished product, y'all. How cute is this? Do y'all love it? Please send me some hearts and some comments if you like this project. Here we go. Thank y'all for watching. Sprinkle the video, and I will see y'all very, very soon. It's so good to be back. Thanks for being here. Bye, guys.